Hi. Yan.
Sir,
How are you?
magandang hapon. Okay naman po, sir. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Tapos po kami lahat, yes.
We have good news. Kinuto ko sa iyo kanina. We just finished signing the bicameral conference with the senators and congressmen. Pasok yung sinabi ko sa iyo when we meet last week, no, sa Misibis.
Opo, sir.
Okay, naipasok lahat, additional of 8 billion. Nauna yung 8 billion sa HGAB. Now, naipasok ulit namin another 8 billion. That's 16 billion. So, total yung buong 350 pesos na...
So,
yeah.
Can I take a video of you, sir?
Sure.
Okay. Yes, sir. I can show it to the staff, sir, as the personnel when I talk to them next on the 14th, on the Saturday, sir. Thank you.
No
Yes, sir.
problem. Maganda yan malaman ng mga staff na we are taking care as per instruction by our speakers, instruction by the president. Ano yan? Maganda yan na malaman ikaw sa Solcom. You have to malaman ng mga troops natin. And actually, we'll see you on Friday. Are you coming sa
Yes, sir.
Dadating ka ba sa
Yes,
Friday?
sir.
Oh, December 13.
Yes, sir.
Doon din ang formal natin. Oh.
Opo, sir. Sa evening na siguro, sir.
Evening. Kung dadating si speaker, speaker kami ulit na dalawa, so we'll inform you on that. So hopefully ma-approve ngayon sa plenary for ratification yung pinirma ng BICAM. Sa Senate, they will also approve it also this afternoon. Para yung 7.5 na nare-receive ng CAF ko, magkakaroon sila more or less dagdag na 10,500. So that's more than double of their salary.
Yes, sir.
So please, okay, na-inform din namin kanina si Chief Browner, but I want to inform you mismo diretso kasi tayo nag-usap ng sa Misibis and we announce it that na we'll make sure na an additional of 8 billion on the BICAM. Thank God na we're successful tayo na naipasok natin ito sa kasundaluhan. So please inform our soldiers na natuloy and then the president will approve the budget more or less December 20. So once approve yan, starting next year, meron ng allocation ng ating mga kasundaluhan ng 350 pesos a day.